Hey, Commodore Jeff Zambello. I just got gas, a quick check, and here's the Brooklyn wood charcoal burning oven pizza owned by Patsy Grimaldi family from the famous Patsy's of New York City. Excellent place. Not cheap, but excellent charcoal old-fashioned oven pizza with fresh toppings. Okay, James P. Madonna from the Face book group, Everything is Food. Here I'm at the local H-Mart-Little Ferry. Here we have Korean Seafood Festival. Okay, here we have a big shellfish event. It says meet a variety of shellfish. Gee, that's all I need to do is have a conversation with shellfish, Commodore Jeff Zambello. People, the guys with the white coats and the butterfly nets will be right over, throwing the net right over my head. Me talking to shellfish? Are you kidding? Look at that. What do you have here? Live lobster, $6.99. Best of Asia and America since 1982. H-Mart. All right, cock dribble. Lobster roll. Okay. Now I gotta check this place out because I'm not gonna remember this. This is pretty good, guys. You know, Mr. Salvatore Mercurio and the creator Mario Petrus. Okay. Yuki Hana, Japanese restaurant. All you can eat sushi, 375 Liberty Street, Little Ferry, New Jersey. And there's the phone number. All right. Interesting. Interesting and not far away either. Relatively close. All right. I'm now entering H-Mart for things that I need. Okay, this is very popular. I hear it's an outstanding performance, Shen Yun from mainland China, right? Okay. Anyway, I'm entering right now. Here we got the liquor store. Usually they have samples. Hot tiki towel. No, I'm only kidding. They usually have samples on the weekend. Commodore Jeff Zambello. All right. Tiki. Oh, this is interesting. Oh, it's mineral water. Chum churum. Mineral water? Interesting. Chum churum. I like that word. Chum churum. Oh, I haven't been here in a while. Korean grapes? Look at all these pineapples. All right. Oh, let's see what we got going on here. I know exactly what I need. Logan fruit. No relation to Logan International Airport in Boston. Okay. Lychee. Whole lychee fruit for $3.99. Look at that. I never seen lychee in the raw, how it's picked. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Pomegranates, papayas, persimmons. There you go, Mr. J. Terrio. But this is interesting with the lychee fruit. Okay, this is interesting. Mr. Anthony Laura and Mario Petrus, the creator Mario Petrus. Here we got different forms of ginseng here at H-Mart. Look at this. For $64.99, Korean red ginseng gold. Look at that. It's unbelievable, huh? Here And we have another Korean red ginseng drink. Alright, got that. Here we got all kinds of ginseng health tonics. Alright. Red ginseng with pomegranate, right? Alright. And here we got Korean red ginseng extra mild. Alright. And here for $24.99 US dollars we have Korean red ginseng extract capsule, 60 capsule for $24.99. I'm sure this is the best quality, really. It looks like it. Here we have the durian fruit. It's supposed to taste good but stink to high heavens. $3.99. Very spiny when you touch it, very sharp. See, the good thing about these potatoes, these tiny ones, for $1.99 a pound, is that you don't have to cut them up or peel them because the skin is very thin. Here's purple potato. Right. Yeah, there's no need to cut them up. Okay. Here's the larger ones. You know, I always wonder how the Koreans make this kind of popcorn. I know if I make popcorn at home, it definitely does not look like this. I don't know what that is. That I know what it is. This caramel corn snack. It's okay, rice cakes. Some kind of rice cakes. But this popcorn is very unusual, intriguing. I have no idea how they make it. Okay, here's the gooey duck clam live. Right, abalone, very expensive. Popular on the West Coast. In the live tanks. Interesting. Alright. Now, what I'm looking for, let's see. Dried shrimp? No. Dried anchovy? I don't know. Here's, this one is $4.99. Might be good in soup. I don't know. What's this? Dried squid sliced. Oh, that's expensive. I tell you what I like. This here we got lots of frozen fish. Squid, mackerel. Live crab. Okay. Squid. Giant shrimp. Different kind of shrimp. Ah, the moolah clam. It looked like the moolah clam I had in California. Steamers. Porgy. Also called, I think, mohara. Mussels. Butterfish. Oh, pompano. Wild pompano. Alright. Here's butterfish. Pompano. You can see the difference in price of pompano. There's a good shot of the squid in the fish market here. Right? Live crab. This, the female. The female. They don't get you if you grab her by the, where the back fin meets the body. Okay? Female has a wide apron. Instead of a narrow, a very skinny white apron, the white apron. And female also has red on the claws. Tilapia. Milkfish, very popular in the Philippines. Milkfish, okay, frozen. Freshwater milkfish. Look at these big squid. Yellowtail, uncleaned and frozen. Mackerel, pipe mackerel. This is what I get. Certain fish balls, like cuttlefish, maybe pollock, makes very good noodle soup stock. It's some beautiful fish here. Look at that Chilean sea bass. Chilean sea bass. Ah, yes. We got the giant prawns, shrimp with the heads on them. Look at this one, right? Look at that. All right, as well as all this. A lot of salmon fillets. All right. Let me just take a quick go around here at H-Mart, a fresh fish, flounder. All right. Here's some striped bass, Spanish mackerel, very tasty indeed. Bluefish, blue balls fish, monkfish, also known as poor man's lobster. Monkfish, deep water fish, very ugly. Here's tilapia, standard tilapia, pompano. Milkfish, the way it looks, fresh, right? A freshwater farm-raised Philippine delight. Here's some carp. All right. And then we got tanks. Oh, here we go. Look at these tilapia. Some of them are, sometimes they get the red ones. You know how much they charge you for a tilapia this size in a pet store? You know? Some live lobsters. Oh, here we go. Live Dungeness crabs. Alright, Dungeness crab. There's the flounder again. Let me put this lobster back. Now this is a male. You see the two hard projectiles here? You see this? This is a male. Okay, now try to find a female for you. No, not yet. Interesting. Huh? Are you all males? Oh, here you go. Wider tail. I guess to carry the eggs. See these two feather-like projectiles as opposed to these? The male's giving me a hard time. Come on, stay still, you bastard. See? And then the female. The female, the male. Alright? The male's giving me a hard time. Alright. The female lobster. Alright? Got it. Hey, Commodore Justin Bello. Here we have it's probably a northern conch. You know, for conching people on the head, I guess. Here we go. It's really delicious. Oh, look at the color on this one. $3.99 a pound. No babies, but I like the coloration on that one. I don't have any room for any more shells. I already have exotic shells at home. I mean, I could stand a larger one for my air plants, but I think the air plants are better off where they are now, where they get full ventilation all the way around them. Wild caught conch. Could you imagine security people using this as a bludgeon, a baton, having this sticking out of their belt for security purposes and actually conking people on the head with a conch shell? Can you imagine that? Hey, let me. Here, there's a nice one. Commodore Jeff Zambello. What do you think? It'll make a very good bludgeon. Hey, Jay Terrio. There's some nice. I'm in the Korean market now, H-Mart, here near me. Here's some nice sake, ceramic sake containers. I mean, carafes or whatever you want to call them for hot sake. I'm sure there are many more varieties here. Let's see. Here the stone pots, both small, medium, and large. I guess you would consider this a form of earthenware, right? Interesting. All right, let's see what else. But anyway, many unique items here. Stovetop grills are usually of high quality. Food dehydrator, I guess. They have lots of electric grills. Here's this one is what? Stew pot. Rice cookers of different kinds. That's one. Electric barbecue grill. This stone pot. Stone pot. Large, medium, small. Huh? How about that, huh? Stone pot. Asian stone pot. This is interesting. I'm about to leave H-Mart, the Korean market in Little Ferry. They are $8.99. Mini barbecue grill. Huh. This slides out like that. Slides in. Here we have this one. $24.99. Interesting. Now this I'm not familiar with. This is interesting for $6.99. It says multi-ramen pot. Now is this some kind of double boiler? I have no idea. I have no idea what that is. There's another shot of the mini barbecue grill. All right, for $9. It has a tray that you can empty out. Okay, there's the indoor electric barbecue grill from Korea. Right? Look at that, nice.